Blockchain can provide real-time visibility and tracking of goods and products throughout the entire supply chain, from production to distribution to end customers. This helps to increase transparency and trust between different parties in the supply chain. Hello everyone, welcome to Framework Educational Hub. I am Aishwarya Saxena and this is Blockchain Tutorial Series. And in this video, I am going to discuss that how blockchain is helpful in supply chain management. Blockchain increases trust, security, transparency, and the traceability of data shared across a business network, and delivers cost saving with new efficiencies. This video can be a bit longer, but I request you to stay tuned till the end for the better understandability of the topic. Number 1. Traceability. Blockchain enables the mapping and visualization of steps in a supply chain easily because of its interconnected and encompassing bridging of actions. This enhances the traceability of each element constituting a supply chain, such as keeping track of suppliers' information, procurement, delivery of goods, etc. Number 2. Transparency. Another advantage of blockchain is that it builds trust among the parties included in a supply chain because it provides open access to key data points it captures. Traceability enhances its transparency. Number 3. Speed. Blockchain encapsulates smart contracts. We shall discuss the concept of smart contracts in very detail in upcoming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe if you are new to this channel. So blockchain encapsulates smart contracts, that is, chunks of code within a single block of blockchain. Smart contracts automatically update actions when predetermined conditions of the actions are met. This feature enables replacing slow and manual processes that require time-consuming confirmations. Number 4. Immutability. Since blockchain is a distributed ledger, as we have discussed it previously, it consists of multiple copies. It is almost impossible to tamper with a specific transaction because one has to alter all the copies simultaneously. This means blockchain use in the supply chain highly trustworthy and resistant to fraud. Number 5. Consensus. For transactions to successfully follow one another within a supply chain, all parties should agree on the actions. Without consensus, work is impossible. Blockchain is also advantageous for ensuring and sustaining consensus over the process because all the parties know that the transactions are automated and valid. Let's talk about some use case of blockchain technology in supply chain management. Although it is still early to say that blockchain technology dominates supply chains, businesses are leveraging it in various areas of steps of their supply chain. Let's list out some of the use cases of blockchain in the supply chain. Number 1. Supply chain management. With its qualities of transparency, traceability, speed, and consensus, blockchain facilities are important in the management of supply chains. Blockchain coordinates communication systems of the supply chain with a unified platform on the basis of its abilities for information sharing and processing. Also, according to a study, blockchain helps reduce the risk of certain supply chain disruptions deriving from behavioral uncertainties, fraud risk, data loss, manual errors, transactional and operational risk, and information asymmetries. Therefore, it can greatly enhance the monitoring and management of the supply chain. Number 2. Lowering costs. Blockchain allows cross-border transactions, thus businesses can avoid intermediaries. By doing so, they not only save time but also money by cutting unnecessary costs emerging from intermediary steps. Number 3. Regulating product recall. Thanks to the traceability and transparency blockchain provides, it makes it easier for supply chain to regulate product recalls by facilitating the identification and location of the affected products in the process. Thus, the recalling process becomes less expensive and time efficient. Number 4. Reducing counterfeiting. Provenance is important for the quality and reliability checks of products. Since blockchain allows traceability every step within a supply chain, the provenance of goods can be verified correctly. Thus, it helps reduce counterfeiting by allowing a quick check of the provenance of the suspected goods. According to a study by OECD, Counterfeiting and pirated products constituted 3.3% of world trade and 6.8% of total EU imports in 2016. This indicates that there is an alarming need to combat counterfeiting, which can be succeeded by blockchain technology. Plus, since every transaction is under the control of authentication, blockchain can also prevent documentation fraud with the ability to verify certifications and official documents. Number 5, maintaining ethical standards. Today, consumers are more aware of what ethical standards they expect from the businesses they provide their products from. 60% of consumers say they seek brands that reflect their own values, sustainability, and research about the company's environmental, social, and governance (ESG) practices before buying from them. So, consumers want assurance that the products they are buying are not subjected to unethical production and delivery processes. By blockchain traceability, they can know the provenance of their products and know how the product is manufactured and supplied. Number 6, logistics. We mentioned the use of smart contracts in blockchain technology. Via these smart contracts, transactions can be verified, recorded, and coordinated automatically without third parties. Thus, a complexity element for global supply chain is elevated. Some logistic companies like DHL are thinking of implementing blockchain uses in their business. Number 7, supplier payments. Payments are an internal part of this. A blockchain allows automatic control of verified processes with smart contracts. Once standards are met, supplier payments are done faster and with less intermediary environments. Number 8, food safety. Blockchain is under consideration by the food industry for food supply health. For example, Walmart, with the collaboration of IBM, innovatively uses blockchain technology to track the provenance and condition of its pork supply coming from China. With increased traceability, it is easier for the food supply chain to: number 1, avoid tampering with information of the provenance of food. Number 2, prevent contamination of the supplied goods with a faster and more regulated process between the processors and the distributors. Number 3, forestall spoilage of goods in the process between the distributor and the retailer. Number 9, post-sale services. With the digitalization of product information via blockchain, post-sale services such as warranties and maintenance can become more trustworthy and under control. When a buyer verifies the product's digital identity, the warranty period can start automatically. Also, second-hand buyers can confidently investigate the product's unique identity, which makes second-hand trade more trustworthy. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and thanks for watching it till the end. I have done good research to deliver you this information. So please like and share. If you have other queries about the use of blockchain technology in the supply chain, feel free to ask in comments. And do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.